I just think for us as a Māori people, let's believe in those things that the old people left us, the proverbial sayings, because within those things there is a source of real well-being. Simple things like mate ururoa, kaua mate wheke, die like a shark and not like the octopus. So that's just an analogy of perseverance, determination, be strong-willed, be determined to fulfill your goals. If you're going to set down goals, then use those proverbs to guide you. He manawa piharo. You have the heart of a piharo, of the blind eel. So yeah. So for me as in the Rangahau space in the Wānanga, I think it's really important that the Wānanga, one of the first things I would suggest that the Wānanga does is Wānanga, what is Wānanga? To go back to ancient and to bring to the present. Because, how many, and again, how many of us in the Wānanga are practitioners? Are practitioners. Simple word like mahi doesn't mean employment, it doesn't mean a job. It means you're protecting our fire, you're protecting our ahi. Simple things. And it's all in te reo. So those would be my aspirations. And my own aspirations, I suppose, would be just to continue what I'm doing, but enjoy it. Get in that space of enjoying your Rangahau. Yeah.